Okay, so let's go ahead and create a DrawBoxes function. And the way we'll do that is we'll do DrawBoxes, and we're going to pass in the predictions. Okay. Now, DrawBoxes is equal to an anonymous function. So we're going to look for the SVG on the page, which is going to be empty. And then we got to do predictions for each element. We'll go with a prediction. And what we're going to do is we're going to go through each one. And so for each one, we're going to go ahead and deconstruct the box, the label, and the score. So each prediction comes with these properties. Okay, and that is what our prediction is. Next, we have to deconstruct the box. The box has a left, well, it's a box, so it has a left, a top, a width, and a height. Okay, that equals box. Create element ns and w3 dot or okay, svg and we're going to be drawing a rectangle. So there's SVGs have other things that you can choose. Such as polygons and all kinds of things. Now that we have that, we can say our rectangle, and we're going to set attributes to them. So we'll have a width, which is our width. We have height, we have an x, which is our left, and we have we can set the last attribute, which will be our y, which has to be the top. And we're going to set the attribute. For class box, I'm going to set the attribute for style to be stroke. Let's keep going. So now we need to create something that is going to display the text. And now that we have that, we can start messing with our text. So we can set, again, the attribute to be x. Oh, actually, yeah, so I want x, sorry, I want left plus the you can do text, and we can set the attribute to y, and the y is just the top. We keep going with set attribute of class as a label, and last but not least, we set the attribute of style to be stroke number 006600 with a fill pound 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, yeah, this is a big old function, but oops, it's supposed to be the brackets because we're doing a little variable. So we're going to have a label, and this label will then say score 2 fixed. And what would we want the fixed to be? 3? Okay, 3. Excellent. And then the svg dot append child, right? And svg dot append child text. Great. Rex dot set attribute. We need the y, and that is text bbox dot y. Text rec set attribute width to be text bbox dot oops. So, okay, so we have text. Why didn't you guys say anything? Oh, maybe you were. Great. Great. Now we will need to add, we'll have an image. Let's add an SVG. So equal let's name it the box, I guess. And let's give it a Go ahead and add a div to everything outside of here. We have a bug. I must have done some typo. Bam. Now it all works. And it is showing there. So let's go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. And when we hit detect, if this works, we should see the output of green boxes, essentially. Predictions. Hey, there we go. So we have a license plate. We got cars. That's awesome. It worked out really well. Look at that. Okay. The other piece I want to do real quick is to add the predictions to the page real quick. So that's real simple. We can just do a const pre, and that will equal stringify the predictions, pass in null and 2. And voila. Now when we do that, we'll go ahead and show really everything we need to. Alright, we've started. So if we go ahead and now detect, we should see the boxes, and we should see, oh no, we got an error. Can't read append of undefined. Let's figure what that is. Okay, so we do have a little bit of an error. Can you find it? It's a spelling error. Surprise. So I'm going to do this pre-document dot body. B-O-D-Y. Great. Now it should work. Okay. Now let's try it again. Detecting. Predictions are there, and it's perfect. So here is what it's put out. The next thing that we will do is work on saving all of this. Great.